Welcome to My Honest View Reviews. Straight to the point, no nonsense. This has all been paid for with my own money. Today we're packing up our baseline AR-V to head to the range. As you can see, there's no mag in it. There's no ammo. Flagged. All right. We're setting this up so that we can head out to the range, get a good feel for how the gun is shooting with its stock spring, buffer, trigger, and to make sure there isn't any other defects that are affecting the gun from the manufacturer. And this will be all done before we start any modifications on the firearm ourselves. So let's head to the range. Testing the factory mechanical reliability and cycling behavior of the Palmetto State Armory AR-V 9mm PCC at a controlled legal shooting range facility using various standard factory ammunition types. All shooting was conducted safely with full eye and ear protection worn at all times. In this phase of the project series, we hit the range to establish an exact mechanical baseline for our 8-inch model before changing any internal components. We put the platform through a rigorous function check, evaluating the factory last round bolt hold open LRBHO features 3 times to ensure lockback consistency. We then use standard factory target ammunition to cleanly zero and align our new Magpul MBUS 3 iron sights onto the target core. Crucially, we dedicated a specific portion of the testing window to evaluating the platform's feed ramp compatibility and standard high-performance jacketed hollow point home defense rounds. While 9mm blowback PCC platforms are historically known to occasionally experience feeding hiccups or stovepipes with defensive ammunition geometries, this specific AR-V variant functioned flawlessly. We experienced 0 jams, 0 stovepipes, and 0 cycling failures throughout the test. We concluded our range evaluation by executing a 150-round endurance function check using a mixed pool of factory target and defensive ammunition. The platform remained entirely reliable under sustained manual string fire. We're back from the range and it's time for a deep cleaning. Direct blowback 9mm PCs run incredibly dirty because of all that burnt carbon. Goes straight back into that receiver area. Because we're starting the upgrade parts in our next episode, we need a clean canvas. So I'm using Hops Board Cleaner, CLP, to strip out all the range fouling, prep the metal surfaces. Everyone has their own way. And basically I just find what works best for me. However you want to do it, as long as the gun is cleaned and it's lubed and it's ready to go, then we're able to move on to our next. Factory baseline data was a win. It performed really well, better than I expected it to be. I didn't have any stovepipes, no mechanical failures. For a PSA AR-V, they've been known to have issues. I had none. So now that we're clean, we're lubricated, in our next video, we're going to jump straight into the first 3 mechanical upgrades to completely flatten out this recoil. Don't forget that because of platform guidelines, the hands-on maintenance work had to be trimmed for certain channels. If you want to see a full, raw, uncut Workbench cleaned footage, look up my honest view reviews on Rumble. See you at the bench.